A few years ago, there was a young person named Sarah. She loved listening to English songs and watching English movies, but every time she tried to speak, she felt nervous. At school, her teacher asked, "Can anyone tell me what this word means?" Sarah knew the answer, but she stayed quiet. Her heart said yes, but her mouth said no. She wanted to speak, but fear stopped her. One day, she was walking home from school when she saw a small cafe with a signboard that said, "English Speaking Practice, Free for All." Her heart raced. She stood outside the door for a few minutes thinking, "Should I go in? What if they laugh at me?" But then she whispered to herself, "What if they don't?" That one thought, "What if they don't?" changed her life. She walked in, nervous but brave. Inside, she saw a few people sitting in a circle, smiling and speaking slowly. A woman said, "Welcome. What's your name?" Sarah's voice trembled as she said, "My name is Sarah." The woman smiled and said, "Nice to meet you, Sarah." And just like that, the fear inside her started to fade. Every week, Sarah came back to that cafe. At first, she spoke only 2 words, then 1 sentence, then 2 sentences. Soon, she was having full conversations. Her grammar wasn't perfect, but her smile was real. She realized something powerful. Confidence doesn't come from knowing every word. It comes from trying, even when you're scared. Now, let's learn from Sarah's journey, step by step, how to become confident while speaking English. Step 1. Start small, but start today. Don't wait for the perfect time. Speak 1 English sentence today. Maybe in front of the mirror or while talking to a friend. Say, "Good morning. How are you?" Say it loudly. The first step is the hardest, but once you take it, you'll realize it's not scary at all. Step 2. Make mistakes proudly. Yes, you heard me right. Proudly. Every mistake you make is proof that you're learning. Even native speakers make mistakes. Don't be afraid to sound different. That's your strength, not your weakness. Step 3. Listen and shadow. When you listen to English podcasts, movies, or YouTube videos, try to repeat what you hear. Not fast, slowly, clearly, and confidently. This technique is called shadowing. It helps you get used to the rhythm of English. The more you practice shadowing, the more natural your English will sound. Step 4. Think in English. Start with small thoughts. Instead of saying in your mind, "Mujhe pani chahiye," say, "I want water." Instead of, "Main late ho gaya," say, "I'm getting late." Slowly, your brain will start thinking in English naturally. Step 5. Surround yourself with English. Change your phone's language to English. Write your daily plans in English. Watch English content every day. The more you live with the language, the more confident you'll feel speaking it. I remember one day, Sarah went to a big event where people from different countries came to speak. When her turn came, her hands shook, but she remembered all her practice sessions. She smiled and said slowly, "Good evening, everyone. My name is Sarah, and I'm happy to be here." The room went silent for a second, and then people clapped. That was the moment she realized. People don't clap for perfect grammar. They clap for courage. You see, confidence is not about never being scared. It's about speaking even when you are scared. Every time you say a word in English, you're breaking one wall of fear. Keep breaking those walls And one day, you'll be standing tall, free, and confident. So today, promise yourself one thing. You will not wait for tomorrow to start speaking English. You will speak today, even if it's just one word. You will speak slowly, clearly, and with a smile. You will stop comparing yourself to others, because your journey is yours, and that's what makes it beautiful. Remember, fluency will come with time, but confidence starts the moment you decide to speak. Every word you speak is a victory. Every small sentence is progress. Repeat after me. I am not afraid. I am learning. I am growing. I am confident. Keep these words close to your heart. Say them every morning. Speak to your mirror, your friends, your world. But most importantly, speak to yourself with love and pride. Because the truth is, confidence doesn't come from English. English confidence comes from you. If you liked this video, don't stop here. Practice with me every day. Repeat after me, shadow my words, and together we'll make your English sound smooth, natural, and confident. Let's speak slowly, learn deeply, and grow endlessly, one beautiful English sentence at a time. So, if you're watching this right now, I want you to remember this. You don't need perfect English to start. You just need to start. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and speak proudly. Every time you speak, your confidence grows. Every time you make a mistake, you learn something